Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kōkako. He kōkako.
Yes, it's the Kōkā. Nice to see you both. I love the kōkako's beautiful kiwi grey feathers.
Kiwi, grey. Āpahua.
Rawe, excellent. And don't forget, they love to kanikani dance. Koereri koito.
Ooh, yay!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani dance and waiata sing with us?
Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro I te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Patutaki I a koe. Matike, maranga, ko te ao kei te kapu o toringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga! Ooh!
What is that kōkako has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe, that's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what kōkako gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aune. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the kōkako?
Ai rā.
Me, Haro. Amazing. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh! Yay!
Do you think you know what it is? I think you might know what this is, Tākaro Tribe. These are all the same type of thing, even though they are rereke, different. What shape is the hanuiti, sandwich?
Tapatoru, triangle.
Me, Haro. Amazing. What color is the panana?
Kōwhai, yellow.
Do you know what we call all these different things? They're all kai.
Kai!
Okay, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He kakariki. That's my colour. He tapawha kakariki.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Looks like it's time for some kai. The tamariki are making hanueti, sandwiches. What are they putting in them? Meaty, ham, tihi, cheese, kukamo, cucumber. All the other tamariki are having their kai too. He reka. Delicious. Ka kite anō ia koutou. Did you know that the last letter of kai is I?
E! Wahoo! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter E?
I!
E. Start with a line straight down in the middle. Then a line across the top and a line across the bottom. Ka pai. Let's do it again. Straight down the middle, then across the top and across the bottom. E.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What did you learn about today?
Kai!
Kai! Let's learn to spell it. Do you think we need an U?
Cow! E!
Do you think we need an E?
I!
Do you think we need a P?
Cow!
Look, a K. Do we need a K?
Need a kit? I! E!
Do you think we need an E?
Cow!
Do you think we need an O?
Cow! Ah!
Do you think we need an R?
I!
Ka rawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Kai! Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
K.
Ka pai. Ka. Now try sounding out the word kai.
Kai. K. A. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
K. A. E. Kai.
Did you manage to spell the word kai?
Kai. 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 Yay!
Tino pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
It's a sandwich, hanuiti. It's a banana, banana. Apuru. They're yummy and we love to eat them. Ka-a-i. It's kai.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe. Titiro, here comes the moon, mahina. Kia ora, mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tākaro Tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.